Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can get a custom mouse cursor like so you are seeing on the screen. So you can download unlimited, and first you have to open up your any browser and just type this website, which is that Deviant Art. You can also type the manually on your browser and just open up this website. And now here you just need to simply click on the search box you are seeing on the top. So once you click on that, here you just need to type the mouse cursor. So once you type that, hit the enter. Now here you have to just select the favorite cursor you like the most. So let's say guys, if I want to download this, I can just click on that, click on the download option. First you need to log in to your account or simply sign up. Click on the continue with Google, select your Google account and just simply sign up to your account. Give your information, click on the continue. Here you select the standard mode, click on the continue. Now here you just select the interest. So once you select it, click on the continue option you are seeing. And once you sign up, here you have to just simply click on the download option. So once you downloaded the mouse cursors, now here you have to just simply drag and drop this zip file on your desktop. So guys, once you do that, you have to just simply create the new folder. So you can right click on it, click on the extract files. Now go to the desktop, select desktop, click on the new folder, then just simply click on the OK. Now all the files of the mouse cursor was extracted to your this folder. Just open it. Now in this folder you have to just simply look for the installer. So once you find this file like the installer file, so you have to just simply right click on the installer. You will see the option to install it, and then it will start installing this cursor on your PC. And once installed, right click on your desktop, simply click on the personalize. And now here click on the themes option you are seeing, click on the mouse cursors you are seeing right here. And now in this box you have to just select your mouse cursor you recently added or installed. So I can just select it and just simply click on the apply option you are seeing, click on the yes option. Now you will see my mouse cursor was changed to the cursor I recently installed. You can also install the many cursor, download and install many cursor from this website and use it. And guys, if you found this video helpful, so please consider liking this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.